Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you the new release of the Gantt chart, which will be available in the next 2 weeks. And I've incorporated some changes based on your previous feedback. And in this video, I will walk you through the changes, which is going to be ready in the next couple of weeks, using the same file which is ready and available in the app source, in the Power BI app source, I mean. So let's get started. So using the same file, let's go through the changes one by one. So now for the activities on the left hand side, previously we had only one here at the top option to change the text size for all of them, for the activity name, for the start, finish, variance, baseline, start, baseline, finish, and variance as well. If in this example, let me get you an example which has baseline, start, and finish, like this one, for example. So you can see now in this release, you can find you have the control on each of them individually. So you can increase the text size, let's say for the activities individually. So you see it's been increased. Or let's say, for example, you would like to change the plan start. See, now the plan start is increased. So now you have the full control on each of them individually in order to view it in the way that you prefer. And you still have the option to hide and show each of them separately as well. So this is the first change. Now going to the second one. In the header settings, now you have the option to change this task details. So you can change it if you would like to call it tasks, if you would like to call it whatever you like. So this also you have the control to even remove it, whatever you prefer. Going to the next one, some people ask me they want to add more levels, because previously the Gantt chart supported up to only 5 levels. Now it supports up to 10 levels, and you can choose the color that you like for each level, so using the same criteria. So now it supports more levels. Going to the next one, in the professional settings, you have an option called P6 format. So previously this one was not there. So previously, if you see the progress, you see it like this. So the progress is showing as a percentage, as a length of a percentage of the total bar length. Now to show it in the same format in the P6, if you turn on this option, you see the progress is showing up to the data date. So here you have to have a data date. So the data date here has to be added to the visual, and the visual itself move the bar length to the data date. So this is an option. You can turn it on and off, and you can find it's getting the same color you have choose for the progress fill color. So this is an option also have been added in the new revision. One which is very important, some countries, they do not follow the date format of month, day, year. Previously this was the only format available in the Gantt chart, right? In this version I've added many other formats which you can now choose and work with. So you have day, month, year, month, day, year, and so many other formats. You can pick the one that you prefer, and you work with it based on your location or your organization. And one last thing, which was a big issue in the previous submission and the version, there was a gap here between the bars on the left hand side and the bars on the right hand side. If you added many activities, you start to see a gap. So to some point if you added like 100 or 200 activities, you might be looking at an activity and seeing a different bar. So now this issue has been fixed, and you can see no matter how many activities you're adding, you see it's matching perfectly now. So this issue now it's solved, and you don't have to worry about this anymore. This is the revision number 1005. So it's gonna be available for everyone in the next 2 weeks. And lastly, I would like to thank everyone for your positive feedback and for the issues that you have found in the Gantt chart, which allowed me to work on it and resolve it in this version. And I would like, once this version is available, I would like you also to use it and share it with everyone and start giving me feedback again so we can incorporate it in the next version. Thanks everyone, and I'll be waiting for your feedback.